Ohio real estate. Grabe ha. So ayan, naririnig niyo na ang crane. Ayan o, may binubuhat na sila. So alam niyo na kung saan kami. So nandito kami ngayon. And at my back, an ongoing construction ng Samal Island Davao City Connector Bridge. So this beach resort, very famous here at Samal, so madali na nating ma-access po once matapos na po yung bridge natin. Ayan, kita niyo yung crane, binubuhat na yung hydraulic para mag ano ng mga poste. So here we are here at Samal side. Doon ang Davao side, kita niyo yung building niya, that's the eskwela. So dyan banda ang Davao side naman. Ayun, yung kulay red na yon. Ayan, may red dyan. So this is Samal, this is Davao del Norte, and now mag-invest na kayo dito kasi once nandyan na yung tulay, sigurado the property value will appreciate double, triple, or kaupat pa o pang-apat pa pilo-piloon ang presyo. So contact me, kahapon lang ang aming amazing Bridgeport, nagkaroon ng kids summer o ang hapon ang opening, and then the high-end condominium here in Samal, and we have our lot and beach properties in Undanao, in Babak. If you want a lot na may access beach din, dyan sa may tambo fronting Vanishing Island. Wow, so good morning, it's nice morning Saturday here at Samal Island. SIDC-Samal Island Davao Connector Bridge will soon be realized. Kaya ano pa hinintay nyo? Property is prosperity, price is what you pay, value is what you get. Invest now, contact me, PM me, and mabuhay tayong lahat. Enjoy the beach. Kailan pa magprampisaw, high tide pa, kita nyo naman. Wow, this is Samal, this is Davao. Okay, ayan o, busy na sila. Samal Island Bridge, Samal Davao Island Bridge, SIDC-Samal Island Davao Connector Bridge. Keep safe, bye bye.